All right, everyone, this is a 1965 factory air rally red Corvette convertible. Just gonna do a quick walk around and take it for a ride and a startup of it. Nice paint. Doors and everything fit nice. Soft top's nice, I just put it away. Interior's nice. Chrome is very, very nice on this car, shines good. Headlights fit nice, hood fits good. Only flaw I seen in the paint right here. A little crack in the paint right by the headlight there, on the corner of the headlight on the passenger side. Chip right here. And then right here on the side, it's hard to see, but you can see the bubbles right here. A couple little bubbles right here on this driver's side fender right by the door. This car does have, this was a 327 300 horse car originally, but it now has a 010 casting 350 cubic inch engine out of a 1972 Corvette. It is a factory air car, has a factory air compressor. This car's disc brakes all the way around. 65 was the first year for that. Was born a factory air car. Has power steering, factory air, and then AM FM radio. That's pretty much it in a convertible. Wasn't many options for this car. $350 sounds good. It's a good and healthy car. This car works good. Everything rides and drives good down the road. Shifts through all the gears good. Like I said, this is an automatic car. Power steering. Just had a lot of rain. Today was the first day it hasn't rained in a week. It's supposed to start back up again tomorrow though. The AC compressor is unhooked. It needs a compressor. I haven't got around to fixing it yet. That is why this car is priced, you know, competitively. Something you can drive now and fix, you know, this winter. No cracks in the dash. We're on low. Goes through the gears like it should. I just went through all of them nice and smooth right there, just like that. Automatic transmission shifts nice and smooth in this car. And also, I see this car needs a couple gauges. Needs the battery gauge, fuel gauge isn't working, and temp gauge seems to not be working.